wonderful conditions in the mini grass. Aloha. Pac-Man, whoop, there it is. Pac-Man, whoop, there it is. Good to hear you out here this Friday evening. Looks like it's kind of Friday night lights. Friday night lights. We call them the westside. Hello, Pac-Man, 27 Mobile, trying to get it back. No doubt about it. That's two big boys out there in Arkansas, and I'm gone. 072, Eric.
Hey, take care there, Tango 1, 932, shaky ground.
Oh, yeah, the grass on the way. One more time, that's it. Break. Appreciate it, Pac-Man. Appreciate it, Pac-Man. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the weekend with the friends and family. Hey, Pac-Man, I'm going to get back. It's getting hot in here. 27 Mobile. I'm standing by. The muscle on. Hello, Ricochet. Hey, Ricochet, I pulled you back in. Hello, Ricochet, 27 Mobile, trying to get it back. Downtown Honolulu, aloha. 017 to Eco Papa. Okie dokie. Muscle on, put the muscle on. Happy birthday, Papa Charlie. Hold on a second, back, man. I think Ricochet was trying to roll a nickel. Hey, Ricochet, I think he said something about Sidewinder, but that Pac-Man came in and he chomping it.
It should be rolling out. It's 10 minutes till 5 out here. I'm out.
Put the muscle on, put the muscle on. Bye-bye. I appreciate it, Ricochet. If you can roll that 4-1 right back. Hey, Ricochet, if you can roll that 4-1 right back up there to the Sidewinder, I do appreciate it. 27 Mobile around Sacramento, Cal. Oh, my goodness. Hey, I'm telling you, man, I can hear you both talking. It's a big man. I get both of you at once. On the blue box, 1553 on Bull County, up.
Hello, right back, doorknob in the woods. Hello, right back, doorknob in the woods. You have a good evening, doorknob. Copperhead, back to you.
Hey, Pac-Man. Hello, Pac-Man. I appreciate you standing by. I do appreciate you standing by while that Ricochet rolled that 5. Hey, Pac-Man, while you out there chomping them up, let's put another quarter in. Let's play.
10 for doorknob. I had you most of the way, and I did fine. Get your final. Anyway, and I heard 27 in there saying hello, and another station saying hello to this Copperhead, too. Have a good evening, doorknob, and this Copperhead. We're on the side.
Hey, Pac-Man. Hey, I got a whole pocket full of quarters. I could play until she leaves. Hey, Pac-Man, I could play until Mama says no more, but that's the way it goes. Pac-Man, 27, Mobile, Westside.
Dean Rogers, Trailblazer. Trailblazer, you just come right on through there big time. Trailblazer, it has been a while, and I hope you have a good evening out there. And you're doing a fine job. Good conditions from your 20. Trailblazer, thank you for the shout. Oh, Copperhead, Pismo Beach, Cal. I'm out.
And bye, Pac-Man. I'll put those quarters back in the pocket. I'll put those quarters back in the pocket for the next time we play. Pac-Man, 27, Mobile. I just saved me $1.50. I'm back quiet.
10 for 21, 27. I heard you in there, 27. Hello, right back. Stand for a trail. Train Rogers, Trailblazer. All righty, I did get your final also. I'll back on out, see if you can get that other guy that was trying to get in there when I was having a mic keyed here. Trailblazer, have a good evening. Copperhead, we're out.
Victor 214.
Roger, Trailblazer, all righty. And I heard 27 in there a couple of times trying to get to this Copperhead. You're making it 27, just as there's a lot of stations in there. 27, have a good evening. Copperhead is out.
Blazer 932 with a quick wave.